PC maintenance. Yeah, I have swapped my disk. This one was already actually slowly dying, and I have a SSD now. And I actually have decided to unscrew the cooling fan from the processor and put some cooling paste on it. It's this one here. Actually, this one here. This is not an advertisement, I'm just showing what I'm using. And there are only 4 screws. Is one here, one here, one here, and one here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And anyone with a sense of delicacy, so to speak, can do it. Well, it's not a hard task to do on your own, and that cooling paste can really speed up your processor. I have done the same thing to my graphics card. I had to open that whole thingy, and there's also a cooling system, and I have put the same paste there. And yeah, after a few upgrades, SSD actually, it's a computer that I have bought for 80 euros, but I have upgraded RAM, memory. Now I have 24 gigabytes. I can upgrade it up to 32, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think so. And this is i7, and it runs really well. Fruity Loops 21, and a couple of, well, quite a few plugins that are PCU hungry can run on that easy. It's very powerful PC, and it's 10 years old, and it wasn't that expensive. Yeah, disk did cost me about 100. I have paid about 100, just a little bit more, 100 euros I mean, for the memory, but that memory actually comes from, and SSD comes from my old PC, which is i3, and there was 16 gigabytes of RAM, and well, it was slowly a bit not enough, at least for PCU hungry plugins. Yeah, for example, Vital Synth, which is for free, had some problems on that PC. Running on its own is okay, but if you add stuff, it wasn't really enough. So this is why I have bought me this one, yeah. And now I'm doing some maintenance. There is new Windows 10. I had to upgrade it because I wouldn't be able to update anything else like UID stuff and so on. By the way, my UID card is here. There are only 2 processors, yeah. This is the UID card. Let's show you maybe like this. 2 processors only, yeah. So that's my system. Ballistics. Yeah, there is 24 gigabytes. Everything runs like I need it. It runs really nice. Yeah, thanks for watching. And don't forget to make some maintenance to your computer as well. It needs it sometime. Look how much stuff is hiding there and making your PC run slowly. If you take care of your PC, it should, well, this one should go for at least another 5 years easy. And I won't have to upgrade it. I have everything I need. Hopefully maybe even for 10 years it's going to be enough. That is even environmentally friendly. So, think about it. If you have any questions, you can do some stuff on your own. It's not that hard, and it's not that expensive as well. And you can have a really nice machine for very little money. You don't need a very, very powerful PC. Maybe in 5 years or something like that, yeah. It will be time to change, but this one is still good. And by the way, that is Predator with i7 NVIDIA GeForce GTX and UID system. Thanks for watching.